Look at that. Look at the hair, girl. Look at the hair, girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, we're going to do a little wig unboxing and wig transformation. So I got this wig from Uniwigs right here. So I'll show you what it looks like straight out of the box and how I took it from it looking like this to it looking like this. And I'll show you how I sewed on the elastic band and the clips and everything like that. And if you guys are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you can catch more wig reviews and hair videos from me. And without further ado, let's get into the video. Alright, so this is what the box looks like. It's pretty cute and simple, so let's go ahead and open it up. Oh, and here she is. And we also have, we have some goodies in the box. So we have two fishnet caps, which look like this. And we also have some extra clips and combs and an elastic band to sew on the wig. Let me see. I don't know if the wig actually comes. I thought it came with combs. So yeah, okay, it looks like I'm going to have to do this myself, which I didn't know. That's okay. So this is what she looks like. She is super long. I forget what length I got. I'll leave all the specs down below, but I think I actually got like 20 inches or something like that. She's super long. Okay, so I'm just going to plop this on. It's not going to stay on my head because obviously there isn't anything to secure it. Okay, hold on. Okay, so this isn't just plopped on out of the box. It actually fits pretty well. I think I got the medium cap size or like the standard cap size, and it fits perfectly, so that's pretty good. And it does have a little bit of a pre-plucked hairline. I'm gonna zoom you guys in so you can kind of see. It has like a little bit of a pre-plucked hairline going on. You can obviously tweeze it a bit more if you need to. And I'll stand up so you guys can see the length. So it goes up to, oh frig, it's pretty long, girl. But the ends are kind of thin, like these are the ends, so I might have to trim it up a little bit. I don't think I actually need it that long, but I just kind of wanted the length just to see what it would look like. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take off the wig. I'm going to go tone it with some purple shampoo, so I'll show you how I do that. And then when we come back after the wig's dry and everything, I'll show you how I cut the lace and sew on the elastic band and the clips if we need to do that. So yeah, let's go tone this wig. Okay, so to tone the hair, I just took a bucket with some warm water and I added some purple shampoo. So I used some of this one from L'Oreal. It's their silver shampoo. And I'm also going to mix some of this one by John Frieda. So I'm just going to squirt some more shampoo in the water and mix it up. And then we can just dip the hair in. So I don't know if you can see that, but the hair is turning a bit whiter. So you just keep doing this until you see the color that you want. So the hair is looking a lot whiter already, but I am going to let it sit in the water for a little bit longer. And then I'm just going to rinse it out and let it air dry. Okay, so this is what she's looking like now. It's all dry and I straightened it a little bit. So the color is looking much better. I feel like she could do another round of purple shampoo, but it's looking a lot better. And I did trim off some of the ends, so the ends look much thicker. And the hair is feeling a lot softer now that it's been conditioned as well. So I'm liking that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to cut off some of the lace. Not all the way, but just like a little bit just to kind of get it out of the way. And then I'm going to put it on and we'll kind of see how the fit is. So let's do that right now. Okay, so I cut off most of the lace. And I just want to show you in case you were wondering how to tell like where the front is without any of the clips and stuff. So this part in the back, this little stretchy part, that's going to be at the crown of your head. And then there's a seam on either side, and that's going to be where your ears go. And then I can tell the front is the front because it has the pre-plucked hairline, whereas the nape of the neck doesn't. So that's kind of how I figured out where the fit is going to be. So what I'm going to do right now is just place it on my head just to kind of see how the fit is feeling right now and where my ears are going to go and if I have to cut like around my ears. So I'm going to do that before I sew the clips and combs on and before I sew the elastic band, because where my ears are is going to matter where I put the elastic band. So I'm just going to pop this on and see how that looks. Alright, so now that I have the cap on, I don't know if you guys can see, but it does go over my ear just slightly right there. So I'm going to have to cut just a little bit around my ear, especially if I ever want to glue this down and kind of pull this forward. I'm going to need that to go around my ear. So I'm gonna do that in front of a mirror, but basically I'm just gonna pull it like this and kind of see where I need to cut and just cut a little bit. And if you're doing this yourself, just cut a little bit at a time because you don't wanna cut too much and then you can't undo it, right? So I'm gonna go cut a little bit around my ear and I will be right back. Okay, so I just did the one side. I kind of want to show you what I did. So here is the little ear tab that I just made. So if I pull that down, you can see that it goes around my ear. And then on this side, I'm going to take this and pull it down, and you can see that it's still over my ear. So what I kind of do is in front of a mirror, I just kind of feel it out, like kind of trace my ear with my finger and then hold the hair that I have to cut off. So it's just a little bit like that. And then I'm just going to trim around that part that I made, and that's going to make the little space for my ear, and that's pretty much it. So now that I have both of my ear sections mapped out, this is going to help me a lot with the placement of the combs, the clips, and the elastic band. So first I'm going to measure the elastic band for size. So I'm just going to hold it to the top of one ear like that, and then pull the elastic band around underneath the nape of my neck to the other ear. And I am pulling the elastic band, like I'm stretching it a little bit. And so I do have a little bit of room that I can cut off because you do want it to be kind of tight. So I'm just going to pull it around, and I feel like I can cut off about that much. And test it out. So that feels about right. So I'm just going to show you how I'm going to place everything. So this is the middle part here. This is one ear section here. The other ear section is right here, and then that's the nape of the neck at the bottom of your head. So with the elastic band, you're just going to put it at the bottom of the nape of the neck. So it's going to make a little U shape, and then you want the ends of the elastic bands to hit right above your ear because you want the elastic band to sit comfortably behind your ear. So it's going to be something like that. So you're going to make like a little U or like a little circle here. You know those stretchy headbands? You're kind of doing that so it creates that tension around your head. And then with these two combs, I'm just going to put them at the top of the head. So there's the middle part there. I'm going to put it on either side of the middle part, kind of facing inwards because they're going to slide into your wig cap, maybe about an inch or so in. So it's going to be a little something like that. And then with these two little clippy guys, these are going to go at the nape of the neck. So you want the open side out, and then you want the teeth to face in so they can clip right about here. So I'm just going to go ahead and sew everything into place. So I'm just using a curved needle and some weaving thread, but if you don't have this, you can just use a regular sewing needle and thread. It's fine. And don't worry about the placement of everything because if something doesn't feel right, you can just cut the thread and re-sew it back on. So I'm going to go ahead and sew everything into place. So this is what it looks like once everything is sewn on, and now I'm just going to show you how I put it on my head. Alright, so to put it on, I'm just going to find the middle part here and hold that with my finger, and then I'm going to place that right in the middle of my forehead and then pull the elastic band behind my head. So put that there, pull the elastic band around, and then I'm going to take the bottom of the wig and bring that down. So I'm going to reach around and find those clip-in clips, and I'm just going to clip them either, you can clip them to your hair or to the elastic band. And then I'm just going to find the combs at the front and then slide them under my wig cap. So there's one here, and then the other one here. And I love how silky the hair is after I've conditioned it, like look at that. Whee! And I do have a little bit of extra lace here at the top, so I'm just going to go trim that off, and I'm going to zoom out the camera and show you the final look. Alright, so this is the final look. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. I'm so happy that I trimmed the hair. This is what the length looks like right now. So it's like just at my waist, where before it was like at my hips, but the ends were kind of straggly. So I'm really happy with how it's looking like right now. Look at that. Look at the hair, girl. Look at the hair, girl. But yeah, if you guys want to get this wig, I'll link everything I used down below in the description box. And they did give me a 15% off coupon code, so if you want to use that, I'll link that, not link it, but like I'll write it down below. And if you guys haven't subscribed already, please do and hit that little bell notification so you get notified when I post. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!